all about.
We'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. You'll turn for hours and lay on the legs. Shintoism or Shinto is the indigenous spiritual tradition of Japan. It is an ancient belief system centered on the worship of kami, which are spirits or deities associated with natural elements, ancestors, and sacred places. Shinto has no formal scriptures of single founder, and it emphasizes harmony with nature, rituals, and purification. Kami define a spirit that inhabit nature, objects, and even people. Some well-known kami include Amaterasu, the sun goddesses, and Inari, or a deity of rice and prosperity. Nature of worship. Mountains, rivers, trees, and even certain animals are considered sacred. Rituals and festivals. Ceremonies at shrines include offerings, prayers, and purification rites to honor the kami. Purity and cleanliness, physical and spiritual purification, example, washing hands before entering a shrine, is essential in Shinto practice. Shrines, or jinja, Shinto places of worship, often marked by a torii gate at the entrance. Ancestor and emperor worship, traditional reverence for ancestors, and the belief that Japan's imperial family is descended from Amaterasu. Shinto coexists with Buddhism in Japan, with many people practicing both religions. While Shinto focuses on life and nature, Buddhism often views nature as sacred. Mountains, rivers, trees, and animals are often considered homes of kami. Many shrines are built in places with significant natural beauty. This belief has influenced Japan.
And now, let's watch the view in Japan.
Kimi no naka ni aru aka to aoki semu.